amigos! Welcome to Come Learn with the Magical Forest. Today, we're heading to the town of Honey, a sweet little place known for its golden glow and kind-hearted cuddle bears. One of my favorite friends, Anna, is about to teach something special. Anna has a calm, soft voice, but her lessons are full of magic. Let's see what she's up to.
Good morning, baby cuddle bears. I was just thinking, wouldn't it be fun to learn the colours of these flowers in Spanish today? All right, my little cuddle bears, it looks like we're excited to discover something magical today. Let's welcome Lyric, who will help us.
See, Anna, we can't wait. What are we learning today?
Today we're learning the colours of the flowers in Spanish. Colours bring so much beauty to the world, and it's even more magical when we can say their names in another language. This flower is red, and in Spanish we say rojo. Can you say it with me? Rojo. Very good, cuddle bears. This flower is a daisy, and we can see the colour is yellow. The Spanish word is amarillo. Let's say it together. Amarillo. Next, I have a blue forget-me-not. See how it twirls so gently. The colour is blue. The Spanish word is azul. Can everyone say azul? Very good, little bears. Did you know that if we were picking flowers in the town of Honey Garden, we could pick beautiful purple violets with green stems? In Spanish, the word for purple is morado, and the word for green is verde. Let's say it together. Purple is morado and green is verde. During the summer, my little cuddle bears, I love picking orange zinnias and marigolds. They're so beautiful. In Spanish, the word for orange is naranja. Let's say it together. Naranja. Oh wow, cuddle bears, you're so smart. Remember, little cuddle bears, when the golden egg took us on magical carriage rides and we had a picnic by Honey Lake? We saw all those beautiful pink flowers. Can anyone tell me the name of those lovely pink blooms?
There are so many flowers that are pink. I give my mama bear pink roses for her birthday, and sometimes I give her pink carnations.
Thank you for sharing, Mimi. Let's say pink in Spanish. Repeat after me. Rosado. Let's try it one more time. Rosado. Excellent job, little cuddle bears. All right, my little cuddle bears, now that we've learned all our colours, let's put them together in a magical rhyme. Get ready to listen, clap along and say the colours with me. Red, rojo, like the roses that bloom in the sun. Yellow, amarillo, like daisies, so cheerful and fun. Blue, azul, like the sky on a bright summer day. Green, verde, like leaves where little birds play. Purple, morado, like violets that glow in the shade. Orange, naranja, like marigolds in summer displayed. Pink, rosado, like carnations, soft as a dream. All these colours make the world gleam. That completes our Spanish lesson for today. Thank you for learning with me. Remember, colours make everything brighter, especially when we share them with friends.
Anna, that was wonderful! And thank you, friends, for joining us today. Keep practicing your colors in Spanish, and remember to spread kindness and joy, just like our cuddle bears from the town of Honey. Thank you for watching. Mara, Jake, and I invite you to keep unlocking the magic with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and become part of the MJ Gang. Our playlist has a little something for everyone, so come on over and explore the fun. We'll see you on our next magical adventure. Hasta luego, amigos!